Have you ever wondered if there was a blueprint that you could follow in order to achieve career growth success? Well, you have heard the saying that in order to go to the next level, you need to add more value. So there are four levels of value. Regardless of what industry that you are in, what company that you work for right now, or what industry or company you want to grow into the future, these principles will apply to you. The first level of value is called implementation. This is where you are a newly graduate, an intern, an individual contributor as well. You have been introduced into that industry. This is where you are hired to do a thing. You are the doer. You follow directions. So, when it comes to implementation, most of the individuals at this first level of your career, the fallback question that they ask themselves, where do I go next? What should I do next? So, let us talk about the value number two, which is called unification, which is the second lowest value after implementation. So you are moving from implementation to unification. At the level of unification, you are the unifier, which means that you are managing, you are managing something. So there are three things that you are managing at the level of unification, regardless of the company, regardless of the organization. You can be managing people, known as people's manager. You can be managing projects. You can be a project manager. You can be a process manager. Sometimes you manage policies as well. So when it comes to the next step after unification, remember the fallback question that a lot of managers are asking themselves, how do I go to the next level? So far we have talked about implementation, unification. The third level of value is called communication. This is the level where you share your ideas with the world. You share ideas with the world. And that's exactly when you are in your company. Sometimes you notice that a lot of your colleagues were able to get ahead. They were able to get promotion and you don't. Even if they are not as talented as you, as experienced as you. They are not good at what they do, but they got promoted simply because they can talk really well, because they are better communicators. And that's exactly why. In the marketplace, communication is valued compared to the implementation and unification. So now at the communication level, the fallback question that most people ask by the time they get into the director level and above, the fallback question they ask is, how do I add more value and have more impact in the organization? I want to have more influence. How do I get ahead in my career path? Now, let us talk about the highest level of value in the industry marketplace, which is called imagination. Imagination is the highest level of value. You will make your most valuable contribution in the marketplace using your expertise and your skill when you operate at the top two levels of value, communication and imagination. Let us talk about imagination. Who are the Imagineers? The Imagineers are the founders, the CEOs of the companies. They are the individuals that have visionary capabilities. So, what exactly is this visionary capability? Visionary is being able to see the future of an industry and saying, this is the future which is possible for our organization as well. It can become a reality. It is possible. This is the direction where our organization should be going in order to achieve growth. And that's called visionary capability. So this is visionary capabilities, and that is the part of imagination which has the highest value in the marketplace. Let me quickly summarize the four levels of value in an industry we discussed about. First one, we have implementation, where you are hired to do a thing, you are the doer, you follow direction. Then we have unification, which means that you are managing something. Then we have communication, where you share your ideas with the world. Then last not the least, imagination. Imagineers are the founders, they are the individuals that have visionary capabilities. So that's all I had in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on career growth. Thanks for watching.